You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English. If you want to learn actual vocabulary and more pronunciations in English, make sure to stay tuned. We've got many more videos for you. So let's start with the British English pronunciation, indeed, how it's pronounced in the UK. British, Brit, a short E sound, British, stress on the first syllable. American English pronunciation, the way it's pronounced in the US, United States. British, with a T, the flap T, that sounds like a D. British. British English, British. British. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.